Let me show you what almost 3,000 square feet looks like in a home that is designed for life. The space, there's enough to gather, enough room to spread out, but more importantly, room to get away from each other. One of the things I really like about this home is that all 4 bedrooms are upstairs and the laundry room as well. Whoever designed this home knew exactly what the assignment was. Are you feeling cramped? Do you feel like you have way too much stuff? Well, maybe it's not your stuff. Maybe you just need more space, which this home provides, and you know what to do. Call me.